Hey beauties, it is your girl B Wilson and I am back with another video. However, it's not a makeup video, it's something very different. So this is going to be my very first unboxing on this channel, and I am personally extremely excited about this one. So for the past, I don't know, week, yeah, probably like a week and a half, I'm quite sure if you've been on Instagram, if you've been on Twitter, if you've been on any place in the internet, you have heard about this wonderful young lady called Mia Ray and her brand Glamaholic lifestyle. I followed Mia for years, like literally years. I want to say maybe about as long as I've been on Instagram, because that's actually how I found her. So probably, I don't know, like 5 or 6 years, I guess. I don't know. But long story short, she, you know, has these different things with her Glamaholic lifestyle, which is like, you know, carry a bag like a G, travel like a G, like basically do everything in a very glamorous way. And so in her recent drop, which is Travel Like a G, she dropped a luggage set. Now, I ordered mine last Saturday, which was like October 26th, I believe. I believe it went on sale at 3 p.m. And I was lucky enough to get a set. It went on sale, and what was it? 8 minutes? 8 minutes it was sold out. When I tell you, like, everyone has been talking about this young lady, everybody has been talking. I've been talking about it because I've been looking forward to getting my luggage set, because I will be doing some traveling towards the end of the year, which is the holidays right around the corner, as well as the beginning of 2020. So I was like, no, I gotta have my Mia Ray, gotta have my Glamaholic set. So yeah, I definitely was there for the launch, but literally she sold out in, I want to say 8 minutes, 6 minutes, something like that. Like, it was like everything went on sale at 3 o'clock. I ordered mine, it was like 3:04. By the time, I want to say 3:06 or 3:08, she was sold out. It was done. The website was shut down. Like, she was doing lives on Instagram, you know, addressing the fact that she had sold out. Unbelievable. Congratulations, Mia. They were even talking about you at the Forbes Summit, from what I heard, and I saw some of the clips and everything else. I was not as lucky as to attend, but I did see all of the clips where they actually were referencing you at a Forbes Summit, which is amazing. So, being as though so many of you guys are planning so much travel in your life, you're planning bachelorette parties, you're going to see families to introduce the new fiance over the holiday season, you are planning your destination wedding as well as your honeymoons. So of course, travel essentials is something that I have to share with you. Dun, 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 dun! My Mia Ray package. So here's the thing, is that this week has been quite a busy week for me. My mom's birthday is this week, so I have actually been traveling. I am just back today, which is actually my mom's birthday. Today is November 4th when I am filming this. So I'm just back, fresh from traveling, doing some work and everything else per my usual. And I have to say, first of all, let's talk about how Mia had about 1,000 orders or something like that, from what I heard, like 500 to 1,000 orders, which is quite a bit, you know, and to sell out in that short amount of time. And I ordered myself on Saturday, and it got here on Friday. I was not here on Friday, but I had someone sign for it, and I'm so excited to be doing this unboxing. So this is my first time seeing everything. I have not opened it. Like, look, still sealed, okay? So here we go. Let's travel like a G. I got my favorite scissors out here. I'm being extra careful because from everything I had seen on social media, these come in beautiful dust bags. So I don't want to rip anything. Ooh. Okay, so typical my packing. So this set, which is the metallic tote and duffel bag This was $218 and the shipping was $15, which isn't bad because it is 2-day priority shipping, which I can always appreciate. So that's my packing slip there. Yes, I did pay for this myself because I needed it. What can I say? Oh, Glamaholic hair tip. So that, let me get it right. That is this right here. I love the marketing that was done for this launch. Amazing. Ooh, gee. Hello. How are you? Oh, and you know, Mia still runs her blog, confessionsofaglamaholic.com, so be sure to check that out. But here's another G card in there, and then Glamaholic Lifestyle presents Travel Like a G. So yes, this was the photo that was posted on Instagram that started it all. I believe I saw this right before my birthday and I put aside the money and I was like, yep, this is gonna be my birthday gift from me to me. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. I'm so excited. More plastic. So here is more plastic. Each one is, you know, this is very, very well packaged, by the way. So here we go. My Glamaholic. Oh. Is this the duffel? Mia! What are we? Mia, what we doing, sis? What are we really? This is the duffel. Look at how this comes packaged, guys. And then it's like this. Oh my gosh. So listen, I know she said that she was not going to come out with any more, but hunty, look, I even got and it has, look, it has the little tag here for like your name tag and everything else. So how about this? This is TSA approved because I saw on Instagram Mia had already traveled with this. So let me back it one up. Look at this. Shut all the way up. Bitch! Hold on! Wait a minute! Oh my God. I can literally see myself in this. It has the little bumps on the bottom, so it's like not scraping the, and there's something inside of here. Hold up. It's another strap. Oh my gosh, it's another strap that's inside. So here's the other strap, and of course it has like the little clips and stuff. Oh, here is my, oh girl, Mia, stop playing with me. Wait a minute, y'all won't focus on this. Whoa, we're focusing on this. Mia, this is stunning. This is so stunning. And this is such great quality. Look at this. So first of all, look at the inside. It is perfectly pink on the inside. It has 2 pockets here, and it also has a zippered pocket here. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Do you know, first of all, I have another trip to take this weekend. I am actually out of town pretty much for the rest of the week. And when I tell you, honey, I'm gonna be on those Manhattan streets, darling. Oh my God, this is the duffel. This is just the duffel. So there is also a tote. It came magnificently packaged in the dust bag. Oh my gosh, amazing. So one of the things that I also wanted to mention is that this was supposed to be a limited edition drop. I am actually hoping that Mia does produce this in the mirrored finish a lot more, like maybe do one more drop for the spring, maybe not the pink and the silver, maybe do a nice gold. Sis, damn, Mia, spending all my money. Oh my god, shut up. So this is how this dust bag looks like. Let me tell you something. She spared no attention to detail. Like, everything is packaged beautifully. The marketing materials that are inside, everything was just so well packaged, like down to the paper to keep it, you know, keep the structure and the integrity of the actual bag. Even after I take the paper out, I still have this gorgeous dust bag, which, you know, like I want to open my closet and I want to see the G at the top of my closet. Like, I'm sorry, the rest of y'all bags can take a back seat because I'm putting the G in front. Okay, do you understand me right now? Yes. Oh wow, 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 wow. Again, stunning, mirrored. Hazelwood. I'm about to start screaming. I don't want to disturb the pets in here, because if I start screaming, the damn dog's going to start screaming too. Let me cut this plastic off real quick. The plastic is off the handles. I mean, sis, like, first of all, look at them. First of all, can we get into this tote? And it's so freaking big. Look at how big this is. Look at the size of this. Like, I can literally, oh, and it has a little snappy, like a little clamp here to keep it open and closed. Oh my gosh, look at that. I can fit my laptop in this. I can fit my toiletry bags in this. I can do so. You better shut up. And there is once again the details. Do you see this zippered? Shut up. And 2 pockets here. Oh wait, hold up. Listen. Mia, you gonna stop. Look. Traveling like a G. Oh my gosh. I can't even get over the fact that I now own this. So listen, again, Mia said, and I'm gonna hold this just like this. Mia did say that these were limited editions. In 2020, she was thinking about bringing back the Travel Like a G set, but in different colors. The pink as well as the silver she may never do again, which is why I'm glad I got mine when I did, because this right here is an entire mood. Like, I think I might go somewhere tomorrow just because. But I am hoping that she comes out, like, her totes come in really amazing everyday colors, like a nice cognac brown, a nice black. So I'm hoping that she does a set like that. Like, that can be, you know, another set to grab. But trust me, do yourself a favor, follow this young lady. Her products are second to none. Her attention to detail. This is luxury. Mia, you have a luxury brand. the way you package, your attention to detail, the way everything was shipped, the timely manner in which it was shipped. Because I have shopped some of these sold out sales and everything else, and I've had to wait like 3 weeks for my product. This within a week, y'all, within a week, seriously. So definitely go and check Mia out. It's at Mia Ray. And then Glamaholic Lifestyle is at Glamaholic Lifestyle on Instagram. Definitely go ahead and check them out. She does have the Glamaholic totes, but they are in like a vegan leather, and they are in amazing everyday colors. This traveled like a G set. Girl, you know, this is a whole mood and a whole photo shoot waiting to happen. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed my very first unboxing. I will have a couple more unboxing videos for you. It is the holiday season, so I will be reviewing quite a few products. Yeah, that's about it. And until next time, just be beautiful, everyone.